Hey guys, Shaun with Sure-Trac Trailers. Today I'm excited to talk about a cool trailer, the Sure-Trac Utility Dump. This trailer is rated at 2,990 pounds, giving you about 2,000 pound payload capacity. This trailer is made out of tubing, so you get nice support on the frame. Features a straight tongue that's actually a bolt-in tongue. So if you wanted to store this or just need to remove the tongue for other convenience, you can easily do so. Features a 2-inch coupler and a 1,000 pound swivel jack. With a caster wheel, just makes moving this trailer around easy. Trailer features power up and power down hydraulics with a nice sealed box for your controller. Underneath we have our KTI pump and your battery. We also have a tray. Here's enough storage just to hold straps and some other components that you might need. The utility dump features a one-piece form side panel for just a nice sleek look, but also a nice extra support. We have rubber-mounted sealed LED lights, feature a lifetime warranty. The low profile of this trailer is set up with a 10-inch road-ready tire, Easy-Lube Hubs. As we mentioned, the front panel is removable. This rear panel is also removable with a grip tape or a grip paint on it just to provide additional traction for whatever it is that you're loading. Features a one-piece bed, and we got 4 tie-down or D-rings to secure your load. With the ramp feature of the utility dump, you can haul an ATV, golf car, maybe a smaller UTV, and actually transport this to a different property or to a cabin, and then actually unload that vehicle. Use that vehicle as your towing vehicle to tow it around the property. Maybe you're going back into trails, you want to load this with wood. Maybe you're a hunter, you got decoys or other things that you want to pull out. This trailer application works perfect for that. As you can see, the Sure-Trac Utility Dump is equipped to handle all types of homeowner applications. But keep in mind, this trailer is also backed with our 3-year Suretrack warranty. And this trailer is also NATM certified. That means this trailer meets all federal DOT requirements. I'm Shaun with Sure-Trac Trailers. If you have any questions on the Sure-Trac Utility Dump or any Sure-Trac, please get online and see us at Suretrack.com.